Stop what you are doing. If you are listening to this, the universe has urged you to listen to this for a reason. You are about to experience an immediate breakthrough. Right now, as you breathe, the barriers between you and your specific person are dissolving. They are feeling a sudden, unexplained urge to reach for their phone. And by the end of these 5 minutes, their resistance will be gone. They will be forced to unblock you and call you now because your energy is too magnetic to ignore. For the most explosive results, listen to this every day for 21 days. Now breathe into your heart and claim this energy by typing "I am unstoppable" in the comments right now. Now let's begin. Every wall they built is crumbling right now. My name is the only thought in their mind. They feel an intense pull to hear my voice. The silence between us is breaking. They are unblocking me across all platforms. My energy is flooding their heart with love. They realize that life is better with me. Every second away from me feels like an eternity to them. They are reaching for their phone to call me. My frequency is their favorite home. They are choosing me above all others. I am the first thing they think of when they wake. I am the last thing they dream of at night. Their pride is melting into a desire for connection. They are typing a message to me this very moment. Our connection is divinely protected and restored. They are addicted to the peace I bring them. Any past negativity is completely erased. They see my worth and they are acting on it. I am the priority, never the option. They are apologizing for the distance. They are making a way where there was no way. My vibration is irresistible to them. They are haunted by the beauty of our connection. They feel a physical need to be near me. Every barrier is a bridge for them to find me. They are coming back with more love than ever before. I am the only one who can satisfy their soul. They are deleting every distraction to focus on me. Our reunion is inevitable and happening now. They are telling me how much they missed me. I am the magnet that pulls them back. Their heart beats in sync with mine. They are courageous enough to call me right now. I am worthy of this immediate breakthrough. It is already done. Feel the relief. It has already happened. Can you feel the vibration of your phone? Can you hear the sound of their voice saying your name? That spark in your chest is the truth that you are already chosen. The block is gone. The connection is open. You have shifted into the reality where you are the most desired person in the world. Bask in this joy. This is your new normal. The energy you cultivated here is a powerhouse, but to manifest them even faster and lock in this breakthrough, visit my website at joybyjanell.com. I have specialized tools there to accelerate your journey. Remember, 21 days is the key to a permanent shift. Now go forth, be magnetic, and stay in the joy.